Hello guys, I'm going to show you in this video how I fixed my bloated MacBook batteries. As you see here, although my MacBook batteries were bloated and I also couldn't close the lid on my laptop, my MacBook. It was so simple. I used this sharp tool to puncture the bloated battery. I pushed a bit inside the battery, not too deep, and you should be careful that don't push it vertically. You should push it just horizontally, horizontally, parallel to the battery, and make a puncture. You see, every battery I made a puncture on them, and then I press the battery to push the gas comes out completely, and then I use the sellotape, some common sellotape, to make sure that maybe in the future doesn't something come out or having any leakage. Of course there wasn't, I think there wasn't any leakage because it was just gas. It was a smelly gas, nothing any liquid, but I was a bit afraid of that, and I did it for sure. Yeah, it's so simple. I hope this video can help you to fix your bloated MacBook or any other device's battery. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.